Ito ang Hetero Reaction Part 4.
I should tell you, you are supposed to invite your friends to come to...
Oh, to come to the wedding?
To come to the wedding.
What?
The wedding. In the
Kakakilala
alternate
pa lang
universe.
nila. Magkaklase sila pero ngayon pa lang sila
Wedding.
naging
In an alternate...
magkakilala ng
Who's getting
masinsinan.
married?
Tapos
We
gumagawa na ng imaginary wedding scenario. Talagang pinaglalaroan lang si Queen.
Thank you.
Rowling being a TERF is actually really surprising, considering that every single character from Harry Potter's chance.
Oh my
Get
God!
it.
Ito na
Ron,
naman si...
Hermione,
Pati
Trent,
Harry Potter ginagawang...
Made them king. Everybody except for Snape, he's sister.
About how my straight best friend is a furry. How can he be my straight best friend if he's a furry?
See, even yung mga actual gays, sinasabi na yung furry.
What is that?
I need a convenient place to store my pocket dictionary.
Fanny pack? That's disgusting.
When you need a clip
Nag-overreact sa belt bag ang
7 days.
puta.
I have met with Olivia, my gay best friend person. What?
Yeah, 7 days. 7 days ka lang pinaglalaroan.
And acknowledge the fact that my furry has been
Kung may
responding
opinion ka sa
to
movie,
corporate
bakit di ka
Netflix
gumawa
Twitter
ng
account
movie
with
review
his
sa
opinions
YouTube
on
kesa...
movies.
Okay, that's nothing. My guy plays soccer.
It's official, ganap na. Ayaw ni Cohen sa sports. Una football team ngayon, soccer team.
Hello?
Pick up your real phone,
Paano mo
dingus.
nalaman na yung
Hello?
telephone
Oh.
landline pinipick up niya, hindi yung tunay niyang phone, yung smartphone.
Hey, what's up? Deal.
Oh my god!
He's my straight best friend, you know, for the program. I told him that I was bi, which he found, in his words, hot.
Ew.
He won't stop hitting on me, so I told him that I already had a...
Kung kailangan mo pa masabihan
Wait, you have a boyfriend?
na meron siyang boyfriend para tigilan mo siya,
The term
may mali
gay
sa'yo.
man must
Pag
mean
sinabing
very
hindi,
different
hindi.
things to you.
Come on, just one party.
Alam
I
na nga
don't
namin
do
gay ka,
straight
yun bukang
parties.
bibig mo.
Besides,
Lagi mo
nobody's gonna
binabang
buy us a-
Hey, you know, Grant Fleming will be there.
You mean the man who stomped on my 14-year-old heart?
The furry.
This isn't a party anymore. This is the Olympic...
Ayun na nagpa-motivate kay badabada lalaki.
A lot of drugs.
No!
Are you?
Di ba? Mukha nga siyang intoxicated. Laging bukang bibig. Gay, gay.
Yes, I am incredibly hot.
Give me 5 minutes.
Si ginagamit niyo yung pagiging incredibly hot niya para paglaruan si Queen.
You said this was a house party. I came dressed for a house party. This is a
Bakit
spoken onion
kung
that's
hindi house
so-
party, magbalak mo
Wait.
mag-dress na loose?
You again.
Andito na naman yung
are you
naka-pem
guys?
shirt na girl. This time, lasing na talaga siya.
Kyle isn't friends with, you know.
Girl.
Oh my god, it's him.
You okay?
Look at him. Every bit as twinky as
Siya mukhang ano, hindi siya mukhang furry actually. Aso ang cat ear.
grab my ass.
Consent.
Ganyan talaga ba magsalita ang teenager ngayon? Ang baboy. Ang laswa.
Great.
Hey, follow along, okay? Oh my god! I can't believe you're here!
That's Susan?
Yes, it is I, Susan. Okay, great. So now that my girl is here, I
My
think we're
girl.
gonna go.
Talagang pinapaasa si Queen.
$20. I want to get some weed.
Ganun na kamahal yung MJ ngayon? $20. Ngayon ganun na kamahal yun? Dati may nagbebenta yun dito sa PU na ano eh. Isang pakete ano lang. 40 peso. Wala pang $1.
I can't believe you gave him $20 for me. It was $1. Wait, how long until they find out?
Bakit kailangan niyang malaman na...
Straight boy,
Ba't
at least
tinatanong niya kung
24
ano, kung gano'ng katagal malaman pinagkaiba ng $1 sa $20?
Hey,
Anong
thank
gagawin
you
niya pag di
for saving me.
$20? Sa habulin niya yung naka-van gamit bike niya?
Pretty cool of you.
Someone else to rescue in 5 minutes.
Really?
No.
Ikaw si
Oh.
Queen. Ikaw ang tagapagligtas.
Fun fact time. Atoms move so fast that you can never really be far from anyone.
Dad, you're so
So basically,
actually,
sinasabi
can
niyo
you
dito,
Yeah, right here.
Pwede ka maging
I wanna
close kahit
swing.
sino, kahit katulad ni Queen na
Such
LGBT.
a cliche. They do this in like every gay movie. Good
thing
thing
this is a
gay movie.
Sinabing hindi to gay movie sa gay movie.
Quinn, don't be a chicken.
Queen, don't be chicken. Sabi niya, Queen, huwag ka mabaho, kamukha mo si Jan Alan.
Come on, guys.
Hindi daw siya chicken. Hindi niya kamukha si Jan Alan.
You should go talk to her.
Hey, I don't talk to girls, I just look.
Hindi siya tulad mo, Mickey. Hindi siya malandi.
Hey, listen, I know we haven't talked much since, well, freshman year, but I've thought about it. A lot.
Stop! Stop!
Umamin din si Badabadabada na mahal na si Cohen.
Just go!
Sa wakas.
Just go!
Obviously, tinutukoy ni Badabada na iba niyang mahal si Cohen.
Oh, I see.
About as great as family holidays.
Oh.
Yan,
Did he make
Badabada.
you better?
Na broken hearted na si Sel Amari dahil sa'yo. Kasalanan mo, Badabada. Ayun na ang part 4 ng Hetero. Abangan ang part 5.